Awards, or there is only one single person who will be given one particular category, or you will announce 5 nomination and then the best one will get the...
No, it's not possible to call 5 nominees from all over the world to sit in the audience. We have to inform the winner first. There were nominations between the jury and the advisory board. Then they finalized one, and then we are only calling because ये मुश्किल है ना, आप सोचिए कि 10 categories में हम 50 लोगों को बुलाएं और सिर्फ 10 को मिले. It's not very easy for those people to leave everything and come there and say. ये जू से फिल्म सिटी तो नहीं आना है ना, उनको अमेरिका से, लंदन से और न्यूजीलैंड से आना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. So practicality, we have only informed the winners.
And one more question, and actually I should congratulate you and the team, because very few occasions we come to a press conference and we are told within 10 days or within a week the award function is going to be held, which today you are telling that on 27th it is going to be held. When did the actual work start in the selection of the winners?
About 8 to 10 months ago. About 8 to 10 months ago. My research started about 2-3 years ago, because I had been researching the Indians, and मतलब मैं 3-4 बजे तक बैठ के, as Vijay ji said, मैं नेट पे बैठ के अपनी आंखें खराब करती रहती हूँ सारा दिन. I've been just researching this, and I've really worked very hard to make it a very genuine and the best award possible. And Vijay ji, thank you so much. आपने भी बहुत contribute किया है. वो अपने आप को बहुत बोल रहे हैं, हमने तो कुछ नहीं किया, but he's always been there at every meeting which we've had to discuss it, and given us all his support.
And as an entertainment journalist, I would like to know whether you are considering Shyamalan or Shekhar Kapoor or Jhumpa Lahiri for the awards?
You know, we had 2 thoughts on this. Everybody knows Night Shyamalan, everybody knows Shekhar Kapoor, but we are trying to bring to the forefront people who are also, you know, in the current lot also doing well. And since this is our first year, we have tried to keep established names, yes. But subsequently, we will like to get more and more younger, newer people. Since this is our first year, we have all the years to fall back on. But from next year onwards, we'll try to keep it like 2014-15. We'll try and keep people who are more contemporary, who in that year. Because since this being our first year, we have definitely tried to keep a much broader platform.
And every year it will be July only, or you will change the date?
We are learning now, which is a good year for international people to come. We are going to try, which is a good period for all of them to be conveniently coming. So देखेंगे इस award के बाद हम decide कर पाएंगे. अभी वो चीजें बिल्कुल पत्थर पे लकीर नहीं है, depending on how it works. Yeah.
Thank you, Poonam.
Thank you.
Poonam ji, are you the member of jury member of a film category?
No, I'm not.
अच्छा, दूसरी बात ये है कि जब कभी कोई अवार्ड होता है, चाहे सचिन तेंदुलकर को भारत रत्न दिया तो उसको उस पर भी विवादों के घेरे में वो अवार्ड आ जाता है. तो हर अवार्ड के साथ कहीं ना कहीं विवाद जुड़ा होता है, कंट्रोवर्सी जुड़ी होती है. तो यहाँ उससे बचने के लिए आप लोग क्या कुछ करने वाले हैं?
अभी तो हमने अवार्ड अनाउंस नहीं किया था, विवाद का हम होप कर रहे हैं इस साल नहीं हो. बट जैसे हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बोलते हैं, ऑल न्यूज इज गुड न्यूज, नो न्यूज इज नॉट गुड न्यूज. सो बट दैट्स अ जोक. हम चाहेंगे नहीं विवाद हो, हम चाहेंगे सराहना हो, लोग बोलें कि वाह क्या अच्छे लोग हैं, क्या उनसे इंस्पिरेशन मिली है. That is the news we want to create. That they should be appreciated and be, you know, really applauded.
Poonam ji here. Poonam ji. It's okay. Poonam ji here.
Sorry.
It's okay, no problem. No, even it is even the press release it is mentioned. You know, you'll be awarding the people from political fields, science, and you know other fields also. But how difficult it was for you to find somebody, you know, what condition of political system is there in India?